Good morning everyone. Shout out everyone. Good morning. Work again. Please guys, hindi kompleto ang araw ko if you not say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good morning. I'm not feel complete if I'm not say good morning everyone. I love you everyone. Saan man kayo naroroon, saan man kayo sulok ng mundo, I will say good morning to all of you. Thank you very much and thank you for supporting my little channel, YouTube channel. Thank you. Hi everyone. Good morning. Kumusta kayo sa mga taong mga Pilipino at ingat palagi sa mga sakuna sa atin. Thank you po. Love you sa mga taong nagsusuporta sa aking little YouTube channel is thank you po. Thank you. Please share and like my YouTube channel and my video. Share, like, my nabubulunan ako. Sobrang excited. So, please share and like again and thank you very much and subscribe. Thank you. Kumusta kayo? I love you very much. Thank you sa mga mahal ko sa buhay sa Pilipinas. I'm going work again as mayroon ding Sheila because it's hot outside so I'm cover my head outside. So, thank you. Work again. Daily life. Always going work and going early and coming late at night. Thank you. I love you. I love you again. Saan man kayo sulok ng mundo sa Pilipinas, sana makarating sa inyo ang aking pagbati at pusong pagmamahal at pag sumamo na please share and like my YouTube channel and thank you very much. I love you. Ingat palagi at laging madasalin sa ating mahal na Panginoon, kay God or Allah. Allah. Bismillah. Thank you. I'm going now. Work again. So, i-ano ko muna yung light ng aking, ayan ang aking mga little alak fish. Ayan. May mga fish ako sa loob ng room ko. This is my journey. Everyday going work. Too early and coming home is very late. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.